a good little salute warhead I like to use. Little 2-inch can shell. First thing you got to do is drill out the main hole to fit 1/4-inch Chinese time fuse. Give it a little water. And I have a 1/4-inch time fuse here. Make sure it goes up in there, and it does. So what we'll do now is put some super glue, gel super glue. I got to use a stick on this fine because my little nozzle glued itself shut. So, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go all the way around it. Just make you a bead. You got to have enough, a little extra, to make sure that when we get to sealing this thing up, yep, get that off in a second. And we'll take this wet Chinese time fuse and shove it through there. Make sure it's lined up. If you look down in there, you can see there's a little bead all the way around it. It goes up into it. And then set there to dry for a few seconds. So we'll load it. No can shell. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take sodium benzoate whistle fuel. And then on top of that, I'm going to throw some strobe fuel. This is green strobe right on top. Just tap it down. Make sure this thing's stiffened up, and it did. And normally I use Tester's model glue, but apparently my new little tube of it was already compromised. It had hardened up, so we're just going to use super glue. You just got to be super fast when you close this up with super glue, where the Tester's model glue gives you a few seconds to really get it on there, and this super glue will work just fine. So that's all glued up. I'm used to getting it on my hands a little bit, but I've learned to get it off real easy. And then we're just going to set that on that hole and snap it in quick. Nothing blow out around that fuse, so it's still sealed. Shake the mix. Then you can just take you to, like this 1-pound motor we built earlier. And it basically will just hot glue to the top of it. And now you've got a 1-pound salute rocket. I'll finish this up, and we'll shoot this one today too. We got 2 rockets today. The one we built yesterday, and then this one right here we'll shoot too.